One event in history was so loud it changed the Earth itself. It happened in 1883, during the eruption of Krakatoa, a volcanic island located between Java and Sumatra in present-day Indonesia. At the time, Krakatoa had been rumbling for months. Ships passed nearby, unaware of what was coming. Then, on August 27, the volcano exploded. The sound was not just loud. It was catastrophic. The explosion was heard over 3,000 miles away. People in Australia thought cannons were firing. Sailors on ships believed they were under attack. The shockwave was so powerful it ruptured eardrums more than 40 miles from the island. When Krakatoa detonated, the pressure wave traveled around the planet, not once, but multiple times. Barometers across the world recorded it. The island itself was nearly obliterated. Most of Krakatoa simply vanished. The explosion triggered massive tsunamis, some rising over 100 feet high. Entire coastal towns were erased within minutes. More than 36,000 people were killed, most of them by the waves that followed. But the eruption didn't just devastate the region. Ash and debris blasted high into the atmosphere. Sunsets around the world turned deep red and purple for months. Global temperatures dropped. Weather patterns shifted. For a short time, the Earth's climate actually changed. All of this came from a single natural event. No war. No weapon. No human involvement. To this day, the eruption of Krakatoa remains the loudest sound ever recorded in human history. One explosion. One sound. Felt around the world. Subscribe for real history stories that sound fake, but actually happened.